Welcome to a new video. Today I will be showing you how to replace a shock on your Mark IV Golf. What you're going to need is a 16 deep and a 16 shallow to start. Having things like WD-40 and a breaker bar, and if you're dealing with rusty metal, that helps too. Then you want to take that, break that, but here on the end you're going to need to put
hold the bolt from spin.
Move the jack under here so when that shock bolt comes out, it's got some form of relief. Now what you're going to want to do is take a hammer and hit this. Once that's done, release the jack. Okay, following that, what you're going to want to do is take these out. It's a 16. There's quite a bit of force on them, so either a breaker bar or a big ratchet. Next thing you need to do is get your shock and you put these together.
Yeah, but you're not in the camera.
Like that. So what you need to do is you need to take the skinny end and kind of just force it in and get this rubber here kind of in. And then once that is done, it goes like this. And then you put this nut on. So you take a 17 wrench, you kneel those pliers, rotate it, get it too tight. Since we got El Cheapos, you're gonna take this plastic cover and put it on there. You're going to put it in here and nicely clean the surface. This is what you're looking at here. Alright, put the old hardware back in. Now it's in, take your nut, snug. Once again, take your two sockets or your two ratchets. Same way it came in, same way it came out, put it back in that way. Okay, so it's German, so I think the spec is Guten tight, which it is. Finish up your business. If you're doing brakes or anything else under there, obviously do that. Put it all together and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.